I believe this is, yeah, it says it right there. It's titanium. And these are the stainless steel zip ties. And I got myself some gloves. And we got this. I'm gonna open this up, hold on. I got the high temp silicone coating, and that's gonna be sprayed onto the heat wrap. So this is gonna be my second time heat wrapping something. I've heat wrapped my test pipes for my 370Z. So, I mean, this is a much larger pipe. I don't think it'll be challenging, maybe because of this. Mine was just flat. So maybe it's gonna be like this or... But anyways, let's get this going. Like me. So, let's just hope. So, okay. We're gonna start from here, I believe. And you don't want to, you know, get these covered because, I mean, the V-band has to go on or the clamp. Some people wet the heat wraps. I don't think you need to wet these. Start pulling. Make sure the edges are fine. Okay, pressing it down, looking for any spots. Okay, now I got it going. Feels solid, feels nice. I'm gonna feel it around. I mean, slightly moving, which is not bad. What the? I'm supposed to use these. Oh, okay. Just push it in. Nice. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on. One downpipe for me took an hour, if not a little longer, just one. So now these ends, like we were talking about, you're gonna want to super glue. And like I was mentioning before, this whole wrap went on just one. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna do like the little layer underneath right before it splits open to keep it kind of unraveling. I'm gonna do like a big layer of this. Uh-oh. Okay, and then do this other side just in case. I'll get it really good, you know. Maybe I put a lot, but again, I don't want it to unravel, so I'm gonna be making it safe. Oh! I just inhaled with my mouth the super glue. Oh my gosh. That is deadly. Anyways, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch this over just like this. Just one corner like that. No. maybe like this. Yes. Yeah, you're gonna want to make it like a. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! This is like burning, and this is away from the motor, so I think this will be ideal and perfect for me. Just gonna zip tie this. And that's it. That's how you wrap these. I mean, this is where I'm gonna end right here. You kind of know the gist of what to do for the second one. So this is what it's gonna look like. Looks kind of sick. So now all that's left is you're gonna cut off the excessive from the stainless steel zip ties. I'm gonna be using this. I mean, it comes right off. I mean, I don't gotta show you guys how to cut it. I mean, you guys know how to, obviously. It's just gonna be hard one-handed. But anyways. Alright, so I decided I'm gonna spray these. This is what I'll be using. Start spraying it. So this is how mine turned out. I tried avoiding that. I should have covered it up, but I was being impatient. I'll clean it out if anything. That's it, it's done. It smells really bad. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully your wrapping goes well as mine or better than mine. I mean, I kind of messed up like the wrap. I think the second time when I was doing my downpipe I rushed it. But should be good.